This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Kate Davey. Less than bedroom greater than DRE number 00614262. Silver Creek Valley Country Club. Live the good life. Absolutely gorgeous customized, palatial mansions estate. Fabulous open floor plan for entertaining, 5,000 plus square feet of extremely functional space. Fully customized dream kitchen with a ginormous center island 9'X6 Thermador appliances. Formal living and dining room west/floor to ceiling windows-Expansive master suite west/retreat and spacious walk-in custom closet marble master bath marble and granite appointments throughout. 5 or 6 or potentially 7 spacious bedrooms and 4.5 updated baths-Oversized. Bonus room is a home theater west/16 wide projection screen west/5.2 Dolby Surround system. Seats 12 comfortably. Convenient direct bathroom access to every bedroom in the home. 16,000 plus square feet level lot with lighted pergola and outdoor barbecue. Auspicious northeast facing double wrought iron door entry located in the mansion's community of the highly coveted Silver Creek Valley Country Club gated community.